guys, how are you all? Today we are going to do a very special episode that I am actually really excited about. I have never really done anything like that. So yeah, really excited to put it here. I'm going to document for one full day what I eat in a day, which would include breakfast, any kind of middle snacks, lunch, dinner, each and everything. All my chai, coffee intake, everything will be in there. So I'm really excited to do this. Why I'm doing this is because in the beginning of 2020, when the lockdown hit and everything, I actually let go of myself a lot. I had anyways was gaining weight because of law school, and then I started a corporate job where I was sitting and where I was chained to a desk for about 10-12 hours. So I was anyways the heaviest that I've ever been. And then in the first 2 months or so, I gained 5 kgs. But then I started losing weight and I lost about 13 kgs till now. And it has been a gradual process. It has not been like, a super fast process or anything. I just started a journey of eating healthier. I just started a journey where I was conscious of what I was putting in my body. I started a journey where I was not binge eating or stress eating or depending too much on takeouts or fast foods or anything like that. I have consciously tried to maintain a balance between what I put in my body, being conscious of that and being, making healthier eating choices and also not depriving myself of anything. I am not here sustaining on kandmool or anything. There is no strict diet or trend or anything that I'm following. Just making an overall change. अब उस जर्नी में अगर मेरा वेट कम हो जाता है या उस जर्नी में if I become stronger and fitter, then that's the plus point. But the end goal is not that. End goal is a holistic development. So before we start, I'm going to just give you some caveats. This is not a place where you come for some bougie plating, some really nice fancy food. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. घर का बना हुआ simple शुद्ध शाकाहारी North Indian cuisine is what you're going to see in the rest of the video. And second, I am not a dietitian or a nutrition or any kind of expert. So this is not an advice to all the people who are trying to lose weight or who are trying to fight some kind of disorder or disease or anything like that. Nothing of that sort. So I am just here genuinely telling you what I eat in a day, and I hope you really like, because खाना किसको देखना पसंद नहीं है. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go. So guys, what I am going to start my day with is a glass of water. I like to pour myself a tall glass of water in the beginning of the day because, of course, 8 घंटे से मैं सो रही हूँ. I am definitely really thirsty and I'm really craving for water. So that's what I take, and I don't take it in a bottle, because what happens is nobody has that much strength, at least I don't have that much strength to have a full bottle of water in the beginning of the day. So I end up taking few sips from that bottle. And because I'm just taking few sips, it becomes really difficult to measure how much water I have taken. So pour yourself a tall glass of water and enjoy. Something that I actually started having very recently. This is Patanjali Chyawanprash. And I start my day with this. So I have 1 spoon of this before I have my milk or tea or anything else. So yeah, this is for immunity, not for COVID reasons or anything like that, but just because it's winters and stuff like that, and it also brings back a lot of like school memories. I used to start my day with Chyawanprash, so here it is. We have here a tall glass of milk and some biscuits on the side as my first proper sort of meal. And yes, you guessed it right, I'm a 5-year-old kid. I love milk. And it has been my habit since I can't even remember, probably my school years, to have 1 glass of milk at the start of the day. मुझे लगता है कि हमारी वेजिटेरियन डाइट में कभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है that you don't get all the nutrients, but milk sort of makes for everything. So milk is a whole food in itself, and it's very necessary to have some quantity of milk on a regular basis. Next up we have a cup of tea. मेरी तो सच में नींद ही नहीं खुलती जब तक मैं चाय ना पी लूँ. So I'm just going to have this cup of tea. It has your usual chai patti, doodh, 1 teaspoon of sugar, kali mirch and adrak. So it's beautiful kali mirch and adrak wali chai, very strong, very nice. Except I think shakkar, there is nothing really unhealthy in it. We don't even make it too strong. So chai patti is also not too much. So I'm just going to go have it, and yeah, happy morning everyone. Hi guys, so this is the next thing I'm eating today. Don't mind. I mean, I'm sitting on my terrace. That's why there could be a lot of like birds chirping and a lot of traffic noise, and I'm sorry, but I already took a bite because it was so yummy. So this is sort of like a Indian version of a wrap, you can say. So this is roti, and there is some sauce and bhujia inside it. It's not the most healthiest whatever breakfast you could have opted for, I could have opted for, but this is what my mother made, and I love wraps, and I don't really eat fast food. I don't really order in a lot. So sometimes she lets me have all this, but with a twist, so that it's, you know, a good mixture and a good balance of healthy and unhealthy. So this is what we are working with today. So yeah, I'll go and finish my breakfast. Hi guys, so I'm just sitting and working here, and look what my mother got me. Some freshly cut tomatoes. She knows I like exactly these tomatoes. They are so juicy and pulpy, and I love them. Tomatoes have been my weakness since forever, and they're a great source of vitamin C also. So I just take them like this, like a snack. It's 12:30. I've just had my breakfast like an hour back, but you can consider this like my second breakfast. I love these tomatoes, so I'm just gonna snack on them and keep on working. 1, 2 and 3. So this is what I do. I have all my water resources in my reach, so that ठंड है इसलिए मैं पानी पीना ना भूल जाऊं, या मुझे किचन तक जाना पड़ेगा इसलिए मैं आलस ना कर जाऊं. So these have about 3 liters of water in it. So yeah, this is what my water intake looks like. This into 2. Hi guys, so it's about 2:30 right now, and this is the time for me to have lunch. I know it's a little bit late than convention, but I mean that's what it is when you are working from home. So these are 2 rotis. It's typically looks like that, my everyday lunch. So I have 2 rotis with some ghee on it, and dal which is not fried. I love dal, so I'll probably have some more after this also. And I have palak and bhatua's mixed bhaji. So basically the sabzi and bhaji can differ, but this is what it is today. And my mother is observing a fast, so she's having these potatoes which don't have any salt or anything in it, so she has given some of her portion to me as well. And I have a glass of water also right next to this plate. I usually don't have water because I'm trying to cultivate this habit of not depending on a lot of like water while I'm having a full meal, but aaj hai. And I don't eat on dining table. Fun fact, I eat on my central table in my drawing room because of this. Yes, I am watching Anupama. Do not judge me. Very, very crucial plot point is going on, and I don't want to miss it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I mean, it's a little bit of a bad habit to watch TV while eating, but I'm just glad that I'm not working while eating. So this is what we are working with today. Guys, this is what I want to eat. These are some chocolate pops that my very, very beautiful friend Soumya made. I can't eat them. I eat this instead. These are makhanas, very, very healthy snacks. I think probably the healthiest Indian snacks that we might have on our disposal. And then we also have moongfali. Moongfali are a great source of fat, I believe. If you're a chemistry student, you must have done these experiments of figuring out if there is fat in moongfali. Okay, maybe I'm the only one. So I keep them in these, transparent jars, and these are on my dining table all the time. So whenever I want to munch on something, I just come here, and these are the first thing that I see. So I usually gravitate towards them instead of any unhealthy snacks. Hi guys, so this is what the dinner looks like. We have some roti, again with a little bit of a ghee on it, because I think ghee is such a nice source, such a nice like supplement. So we have ghee, we have roti, we have some sabzi. So the sabzi that we have here is aloo and matar, and it's very, very important for me to have all the seasonal sabzis in. So there's a lot of matar, and there's a lot of gajar, and there's a lot of all sorts of like palak and patta gobi and everything in my food very regularly these days. So yeah, this is what we are working with. There is no dal, dahi or anything. Very simple, sober dinner. मैं आजकल बहुत ही ज़्यादा हल्का डिनर लेती हूँ. मेरे लिए तो ये भी हैवी है. आई थिंक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लूजिंग वेट, शुरू में मैंने क्या किया था कि सबसे बड़ा जो मैंने चेंज किया था कि मैंने अपना डिनर काफ़ी हल्का कर दिया था। तो ये भी काफ़ी हैवी है। मैं तो अभी कहीं जाती हूँ तो पूरी अगर रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल मैं कभी खा लूँ तो मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती है, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट द लाइफ स्टाइल दैट आई हैव राइट नाउ। आई यूजली हैव लाइक ईदर दाल और सब्जी और सूप और सैलेड इन इट्स ओन। सो या, so you guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked going through all these, little nibbles and full meals that I took the entire day. Or please tell me in the comment section how different or similar your what I eat in a day is to my what I eat in a day. And yeah, please like, share and subscribe and support my channel and support my content if you genuinely like what I eat. I'll see you guys in my, yes, you guessed it right. I'll see you guys in the next one.